Hello and welcome. My name is Andrew Peel, and I'm one of the developers working on the Fluid Designer project. And for those of you unfamiliar, Fluid Designer is an application that's built on Blender software architecture. That's goal is to provide a streamlined, intuitive way to design interior spaces. So we've included features like library management, drag and drop, auto placement dialog boxes, right-click properties, as well as several other features that help users be more efficient while doing 3D design with Blender. Now, for the last couple months, we've been doing a controlled beta release, which has been going really well. We've had users from all over the world helping us find bugs, offering suggestions for improvements, and really helping us make a very streamlined, intuitive workflow. But since Blender 2.71 was just released today, we're going to be gearing up for the second beta cycle, which is going to be open to everyone. Now at this time, we're just merging our changes with the latest version of Blender and doing some internal testing, and then we're going to be making the new version available to everyone. And of course, it's going to be free, and we're shooting for a release within the first week of July, so that is right around the corner. So for those of you who are involved in the first beta cycle, you may have noticed that it was quite limited, and that's because we were just focusing on the design functionality. But with this release, we're focusing on the ability to create and maintain your own library of parametric products. Now, I've just recently created a video demonstrating the functionality that will be available, and the method that I use allows you to snap together pre-built components, and it's kind of like using complex parametric Legos to design a custom product. And even though this functionality is fun, the question that I keep getting is how do I make these components from scratch? So also with the release of the second beta cycle, we will have a training series that will show you how to use the automated driver and constraint system to create all sorts of parametric items. Because this same functionality can be used to build parametric automobiles, buildings, really even entire cities. So if cabinetry really isn't your thing, then we have a training series that will help you get started building your own box of Legos to help you create whatever it is you need to design. So the last thing that I want to point out is there's another video that I just released that demonstrates how this information connects to Microvellum's manufacturing engine. Now, if you're just interested in the design portion, then this isn't going to be useful to you, but it's really cool to see how a design can be taken all the way through to manufacturing. As far as I know, this has never been done with Blender before, and it's really cool to think that anyone can use this free design tool to create a kitchen, find a certified Microvellum manufacturer that they can send their design directly to that's ready for manufacturing. So I think this is really cool and going to be great for the Blender community just because it's opening up Blender to a whole new industry of users. So definitely check that out. But that's all I really wanted to cover in this video, and like I said, we're shooting to have the second beta cycle available in the first week of July. So if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, I'll be posting more information on here as soon as it's available. So thanks for watching, and we'll be seeing you soon.